What is your name?
My name is Ada. What is your name?
My name is Adam. How old are you?
I am 26 years old. How old are you?
I am 30 years old. Where do you live?
I live in London. Where do you live?
I live in New York. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. Do you like tea?
Yes, I like tea. Do you like tea?
Yes, I like tea. Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza. Do you like donut?
Yes, I love donut. What is your hobby?
My hobby is cooking. What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading. What sport do you play?
I don't play any sport. Do you play any sport?
I play football. Are you hungry?
I am hungry. Do you want to eat food?
Yes, I want to eat food. What do you want to eat?
I want to eat rice. What about you?
I want to eat chicken. What do you want to drink?
I want to drink water. What do you want to drink?
I want to drink Coca-Cola. Did you like the food?
Yes, I loved the food. Did you like the food?
Yes, I love the food. Where are you going?
I am going to the hair salon. Where are you going?
I am going to the gym. What time is it?
It is 2 o'clock. Do you like music?
Yes, I like music. Do you like music?
Yes, I love music. Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I love watching movies. Do you watch the news?
Yes, I watch the news. Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English. Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is salad. Do you like coffee?
No, I don't like coffee. Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee. Can you dance?
No, I can't dance. Can you dance?
No, I can't dance. Do you have any brothers?
Yes, I have 2 brothers. Do you have any sisters?
No, I don't have a sister. Who is older, you or your brother?
My brother is older. Do you live with your parents?
Yes, I live with them. What is your father's name?
His name is David. What is your mother's job?
She is a nurse. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and milk. How do you go to school?
I go by bus. What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 1 o'clock. Do you watch TV every day?
Yes, I do. What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English. Do you like math?
Yes, I like math. What is your teacher's name?
My teacher's name is John. Do you have many classmates?
Yes, I do. Do you work after school?
No, I don't. What job do you want in the future?
I want to be a doctor. Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Frozen. Do you read books?
Yes, I read books. Do you like video games?
Yes, I love video games. Do you drink milk?
Yes, I drink milk. Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream. Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, I eat vegetables. Do you like spicy food?
No, I don't. What is the weather today?
It is sunny. Do you like rainy days?
No, I don't. What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer. Is it hot in your country?
Yes, it is hot. Do you like winter?
Yes, I like winter. What do you wear in summer?
I wear a t-shirt and shorts. Is your city big or small?
It is big. Do you go to the park?
Yes, I go to the park. Do you like the beach?
Yes, I like the beach. Where do you want to travel?
I want to travel to Paris. Have you been on a plane?
No, I haven't. Do you go shopping?
Yes, I go shopping. What do you buy at the store?
Buy fruit. Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I like chocolate. Do you have a wallet?
Yes, I have a wallet. Do you use cash or card?
I use cash. Is shopping fun for you?
Yes, it is. How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. Are you tired?
Yes, I am tired. Do you feel happy?
Yes, I feel happy. Are you sick?
No, I am not. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house. How many rooms are in your house?
There are 4 rooms. Do you have your own room?
Yes, I have my own room. What color is your bedroom?
It is white. Do you have a TV in your room?
No, I don't. Is your kitchen big?
No, it is small. What are you wearing today?
I am wearing jeans and a shirt. Do you like shoes?
Yes, I like shoes. Do you wear a hat?
Sometimes I wear a hat. What color are your shoes?
They are black. Do you like to wear jackets?
Yes, I like jackets. Do you have a favorite t-shirt?
Yes, it is blue. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat. What is your pet's name?
Its name is Max. Do you like dogs?
Yes, I like dogs. Can birds fly?
Yes, birds can fly. Do you like fish?
Yes, I like fish. What animal do you like most?
I like elephants. What time is it now?
It is 9 o'clock. What day is today?
Today is Monday. What month is it now?
It is September. How many days are in a week?
7 days. How many hours are in a day?
24 hours. What is your favorite number?
My favorite number is 10. Do you have a phone?
Yes, I have a phone. Do you use a computer?
Yes, I use a computer. Do you like to play games on your phone?
Yes, I do. Do you watch videos online?
Yes, I watch videos. Do you know how to type?
Yes, I can type. Do you listen to music on your phone?
Yes, I do. Do you like sports?
Yes, I like sports. Can you run fast?
Yes, I can run fast. Do you ride a bike?
Yes, I ride a bike. Do you like swimming?
Yes, I like swimming. Do you watch football on TV?
Yes, I watch football. What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas. Do you like birthdays?
Yes, I like birthdays. When is your birthday?
My birthday is in May. When is your birthday?
My birthday is in March. Do you eat cake on your birthday?
Yes, I eat cake. Do you get gifts on holidays?
Yes, I get gifts. Do you like parties?
Yes, I like parties. Do you like flowers?
Yes, I like flowers. What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is a rose. Do you like trees?
Yes, I like trees. Is the sky blue?
Yes, it is blue. Do you see stars at night?
Yes, I see stars. Do you like the moon?
Yes, I like the moon. Are you happy today?
Yes, I am happy. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry. Are you thirsty?
No, I am not. Do you like school?
Yes, I like school. Do you feel tired now?
Yes, a little. Do you like English class?
Yes, I like English. Do you take the bus?
Yes, I take the bus. Do you like cars?
Yes, I like cars. Do you ride a motorcycle?
No, I don't. Have you been on a train?
Yes, I have. Do you like boats?
Yes, I like boats. Do you want to fly on a plane?
Yes, I want to fly. It was nice meeting you.
It was nice meeting you as well.